Okay, at this point it's finished the DOS format and I've copied over diagnostic software. So I'm going to eject the diskette and reboot, and it should boot to the hard drive. Maxtor XT-1085. Alright, so booted up to the Maxtor. I'm going to run a program called SpinRite, which is a legacy diagnostic utility for MFM hard drives. It's a little slow, so I probably won't film the whole thing. So starting up this diagnostic, I'm going to cancel the filming right now and get back to it later when it gets a little further into it.